Conquering the conundrum, bad versus badly. Hello there, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into an intriguing aspect of the English language that often baffles many learners: the correct usage of bad and badly. In this video, we'll particularly focus on understanding the definition of bad. Let's jump right in. Bad is an adjective. This means it's used to describe nouns or pronouns. For example, that was a bad movie. Here, bad is describing the movie, which is a noun. In short, if you're talking about a thing, person, or idea and you need to describe it, bad is the word you're looking for. To understand bad better, let's see it in some more contexts. When you say, "I feel bad," you are referring to your state of being or emotion, which in this case is not good. Another example could be, "She made a bad decision," where bad is describing the noun, decision. Now, you might wonder, why can't I just say, "I feel badly"? That's because badly is an adverb, not an adjective. We use badly to modify verbs, not nouns or pronouns. Saying, "I feel badly," implies that your ability to feel is poor, not that you are experiencing negative emotions. So remember, when expressing emotion or a state of being, use bad, not badly. Let's recap quickly. Bad is an adjective, and it's used to describe or modify nouns or pronouns. It describes the quality or state of something. When expressing a negative state of being or emotion, bad is the correct word to use. That's all for today's journey into the world of adjectives and their usage. We hope this deep dive into understanding the difference between bad and badly, and the specific definition of bad, has clarified any confusion. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every little step counts. Keep practicing, and you'll master these tricky aspects in no time. See you in our next video.